Late last week, a 3-judge panel in the state of Virginia decided to disbar a lawyer by the name of Jonathan Mosley. And if that name sounds a little bit familiar to you, it should. Mosley has been mentioned many times in the past year because he has been a prominent lawyer for multiple Capitol riot defendants, including 11 members of the Oath Keepers group. And he's now been disbarred in the state of Virginia, leaving all of these Capitol riot defendants effectively without legal counsel, as their trials are, some of them just weeks away at this point, and now their lawyer can't practice law in the state of Virginia. So that presents a very big problem for these individuals. Now, they have not, the state of Virginia, the state bar, the court, and Mosley himself, none of them have said exactly why they disbarred him. Now, it does have to do with his behavior, and the state bar did release this statement explaining the disbarment, but not getting too specific. Here it is. The court found that he violated, quote, professional rules that govern safekeeping property, meritorious claims and contentions, candor toward the tribunal, fairness to opposing party and counsel, unauthorized practice of law, multi-jurisdictional practice of law, bar admission and disciplinary matters, and misconduct. Okay, that's a lot of it's a lot of things. And the question is, what did he do? Now, Mosley has appealed this decision, so there's a small chance he wins this appeal, he gets reinstated, and boom, all these Capitol rioters, again, including 11 members of the Oath Keepers, get their lawyer back. But that's a very small chance that that's going to happen, especially since we don't know exactly what the behavior is. It could be something completely egregious. It could be something horribly shocking that, of course, eventually will come out. Or it could just be small, little bitty things here and there. Based on that statement, though, I don't think it's small. Just me personally reading that out loud to you doesn't sound like it's just like, oh, well, he missed a filing date and then tried to change. Nah, kind of seems a little bit more intense than that. So we have to wait and see, unfortunately. We don't know. It has not been officially released as of me sitting here and recording this segment, so there's only speculation, and I'm not even going to get into what these things could mean because eventually it will all come out. The bottom line is that you got a bunch of Capitol riot defendants right now that don't have an effective lawyer, that don't have a lawyer that's even allowed to practice law, so that's not going to bode well for them. Even if they're able to get an extension, because they don't have a lawyer now, and the court will look at this and be like, okay, yeah, you kind of got screwed, so we'll give you a little more time. It's still probably not going to be enough, right? These cases had been worked. Mosley had his defense ready to go, or he was in the middle of crafting it. Another lawyer is going to come over, have to start from scratch, and they will not have enough time to do that. That likely means a lot of these defendants are going to end up in jail, probably with a little bit harsher of a sentence than they would have gotten had they not picked a lawyer that apparently has a laundry list of problems that got him disbarred. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe to our Ring of Fire channel here.